Okay, we're on problem number 3 now. It says the diagonal of one square is 4 times the length of the diagonal of another. So there's 2 squares. So the diagonals are, let's say D and then 4D. How many times larger is the area of the larger square? So I'm going to go to the whiteboard and try to visualize what they're asking me to do. This is number 3. I have 2 squares. I'll put this one over here. And I'm going to say this is a diagonal D over here. There's another square over here where the diagonal is 4 times that one. All right? So what do I know about this over here? This is x and x. And yeah, certainly it's 45, 45, 90, but let's go through it. So d squared would equal x squared plus y squared. I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. Let me get my eraser out. X squared plus x squared, right? So d squared would equal 2x squared, or d would equal, not plus or minus, by the way, it's going to be x root 2. So, I know what the d is at this point. The d is x root 2. Let me put this over here. This is what the d is. It's x root 2. So what's the d over here? It's going to be 4x root 2. All right? So, the bottom line is, they want to know the area of these things over here. And I think I could write this down for you. The area of this one over here, the area of the small guy, is going to be just x squared. All right? Let's do this one over here. Whoops, let me pull this down so I can see what I'm doing. And let's talk about these sides over here. And certainly, I'm going to talk about another way of doing it. And I hope you realize there's a 45, 45, 90. And, it would be 1, 1, root 2. All right? Now, if I multiply this by 4x, this would be 4x. This would be 4x. So 4x root 2. So that's not so bad. So I can write that down now. So this is 4x. This is 4x. What's the area of the big triangle? It's 16x squared. All right, now what's their question? I'm going to go back and read it. Is the diagonal of one square is 4 times the length of the other? Got that covered. How many times larger is the area of the larger square? Well, clearly it's 16 times larger. And we're done. Thank you.